Hi everyone, my name is Ombere Walter, an actor, content creator, skit maker, peer educator, sickle cell ambassador from Kisumu, Kenya. I've been in this industry for now 4 years, doing creative work, and through this process, I've gained several skills. But through this incubator program, I would like to improve my entrepreneurship skills. That means that I want to combine entrepreneurial skills and artistic skills so that I can earn or get monetary value out of my creative art. And achievements that I've made throughout this journey is that for now, these 4 years, I've been recognized as a county sickle cell ambassador. Yeah, so I think when selected to join this program, I'll be much obliged. Thank you, everyone.